Have you been drinking today?
Whitney.
Have you been smoking today?
Drinking, yes. Drink.
What have you been drinking?
9 o'clock in the morning, I drank vodka.
Okay.
9 o'clock in the morning.
Why?
What time is it? Why? I just lost my sister.
Okay. That's what.
A woman. A restaurant parking lot. 2 kids. This call was supposed to be routine.
In response to reports of an unruly customer.
Hi. Can I speak to whoever called us? Okay. Hi. Can I have you step outside really quick? So my officer has a vehicle pulled over right now. Do you see it?
Yep, that's the one.
That's the one?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the one.
So what had occurred?
I had asked her to put her Mountain Dew in the can of pop away. It's on my door. No outside food or drinks in my building. And she's back there screaming. I mean, I can't even take an order. And she's yelling at these 2 little boys. It's ugly back there.
817. I just had the owner step outside to identify that vehicle. She stated that's the vehicle.
And then she called me a racist.
She called you racist?
A racist.
Okay.
Honey,
so
I raised 4 black children. I'm not a racist.
So she came in with outside food, and there's a sign that says no outside food, and you advised her no, and then that's when the arguing started happening?
That's when she started getting belligerent with me in the back. Okay. You know, she goes, why are you yelling? I said, honey, I'm not yelling. I'm asking you to put the drinks away. You cannot have them in here.
What did she have?
She had a big Mountain Dew and a can of whatever those drinks are. I don't drink them, so I don't know.
Okay, big can of Mountain Dew. Did she have, like, any kids with her or anything like that?
Yeah, she's got her daughter with her.
Okay.
In the car.
How old do you think she is?
That little one is probably 2. 2 or 3.
Okay, and that's the only kiddo that she had with her? Or did she have?
Yes, there's another one inside here.
One for kids are inside? How
There's
old?
a death in the family, so that's why they're all in here.
Okay. How old?
That one
kid?
back there, maybe 4.
And she left the kid?
She has 1 and she left the other one.
Is there a family?
Yes, she's
okay.
back there with Grandma and Grandpa.
Okay. Was there any physical touching, shoving, or anything like that involved?
She just got in my face.
Okay.
She goes, I have a body camera on me. Go for it. If you don't calm down, I will call the cops.
Okay.
I'm done. I don't have to put up with this.
Okay.
And everybody back there seeing it.
Okay. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to talk to the family, if you could point the family out with me.
I'll bring the mom and dad out.
Okay. Hi there.
Hi. You mind if I smoke?
Sure, go for it. Seems like a stressful situation.
For real.
Could you kind of tell me a little bit what happened from your side of the story, from your point of view?
Well,
I seen it when it happened.
Okay.
We just our daughter, her sister.
Okay.
We came over here to have a nice little luncheon and everything. We've never dealt with a funeral before.
Sure.
You know, we came here and everything because we always come here. The only thing I saw was her starting to yell at the waitress because the waitress told her, you're not allowed to bring outside drinks in here. She started yelling at her. She told her straight up, the waitress told her straight up, I have, certain regulations and rules that I have to follow.
Sure.
You need to follow them too.
Okay.
She started, well, why are you talking to me like this? Why are this? Why that?
Yeah.
He told her, Katrina, you need to stop.
Okay, her name's Katrina.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we left it alone. Then she went
AP,
back out
what
there.
Is that individual
Yeah, right on
identifying
there.
as her name?
So she was out here talking to the waitress. So he came out talking to her. Look, you need to knock it off. This, and that.
Mm-hmm.
Then she's like, it's always me. It's always me. She comes out here, and she was getting pretty much thrown out by the guy and everything. He was trying to get her out of here. She's like, he's touching me. He shouldn't be touching me.
Okay.
Stuff like that. So I came out and I talked to her. I said, look, it's not a good day for anybody.
What kind of vehicle does she drive?
She's got a
She
white...
just bought the car a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
a
white.
light
That's
color.
all we know.
All right. Can I have you stay over here? Can I have you stay over here? I'm waiting until my other officer gets here to talk to her, so that way she's not...
DUI with a minor in the vehicle is not a standard charge. Most states trigger aggravated DUI or attach a standalone child endangerment felony. Child endangerment in this context carries its own sentencing range, independent of the DUI outcome. 1 traffic stop, 2 separate criminal cases running simultaneously.
Stop yelling, Katrina. Can you roll down the window? Katrina, we need to talk to you about what happened. I need to talk to you about what happened.
What happened?
I'm asking you what happened.
I was pushed off the property and I was trying to have a luncheon for my sister who just...
Okay. Can I have you roll down the window a little bit,
My
please?
window's down.
Okay. But here's
I don't need you to try to open your hand or put your hand in my window, try to unlock the window.
I'm not gonna do that. I would like to talk to you respectfully. And I'm giving you a lawful order, and I don't want to make it worse in front of your kid.
Lawful order about what?
Putting your window down.
That's not a lawful order.
It is.
I know my rights. That's not a lawful order.
It is.
My window's down, is it not?
Put it down, please.
It's down.
Your kid is
Is
crying.
my window down?
Okay. So why are you acting like this?
I just lost my sister and I was literally pushed out of Hill's restaurant for no reason.
That's not what I'm hearing.
What are you hearing then?
I'm hearing that you brought in outside food. And that's
I
not
dropped
supposed.
my daughter's bottle. I dropped
Okay.
my daughter's bottle.
Stop yelling. Quit being disorderly.
A bottle is disorderly. Come on.
Nope, didn't say that. If you would actually listen.
I'm listening because I sat there and said, "Oh, a bottle. That's why it's disorderly." It's 'cause I sat
Okay,
there
they have regulations and stipulations that they have to follow, and she asked you to
and
follow
they
those
didn't
rules.
They had to put them on the door. In order for me to comply with them, they had to put them on the door. They was not on the door. So listen.
I'm trying to, but you're being disorderly and you're being.
Okay. That's fair enough. Right
Okay,
here.
thank
right
you.
Here, right here.
Okay,
Right there.
there's no need to act like
Put
this.
your hand on my.
There's no need to act like this.
Okay, it's not. But you're talking about an order. If that was an order for them publicly, because that's a public, it should be on their door.
I'm giving you a lawful order. They have their business rules that they have to follow.
Business rules.
Literally,
But the fact-
I need to talk to you because
the
I
fact-
talked to her and I'm giving you the chance to give your story.
My dad's right there. That's my biological father.
I know.
That's my mother right there. I haven't even got a cup of water yet. They didn't want to serve me.
Okay.
I left. Yes, I was belligerent. I made videos. It doesn't matter. I have that right because it's right. Freedom of speech, freedom of petition.
You have freedom of speech, but when you start to bother other people in the restaurants, that is
I
disorderly
did.
conduct.
I left as soon as they said leave. I literally left as soon as they said. You can sit there and they will show you the video. I left as soon as they said leave. I was not in there harassing them.
No, but the yelling in public and stuff like that is disorderly.
That's freedom
okay.
of speech.
No, there's a difference, okay? Freedom of speech is being able to say
I'm over here on chief property. That's private property.
This is also private property.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's public property.
No, this is private property.
I literally had to hit and run over here. It's private property.
It's not. Huh?
It is. Because
Okay.
I literally got away with a hit and run over here.
Can you, once you're done with that, can you see what they want done about the situation?
No trespassing, no arrest. You want me to be arrested? I know.
I'm asking them
I know,
if-
girl. You want me to be arrested so bad.
I don't know why you're acting like this. I'm
Because
asking
you
what
lit-
they want. It's their business. It's
Because
their
you-
business. They can
I just
deny
lost my
you
sister. We're
service.
having a luncheon for my sister, and you're literally being condescending.
How am I being condescending? Please tell me.
How you're acting
Get your
right now.
finger out of my face, please.
Yeah, how you're acting right now. I'm not in your position. I'm not in your space. I can sit and do this right now. Freedom.
They have the right to trespass you from their property, their business.
And they
is
have
private.
yet to trespass me. They have yet to trespass
That's
me.
why I'm asking her to go ask them. I'm not telling you that you are
I
yet.
was over there celebrating my sister's
I've already
my sister.
correct. They had told me that, and I am expressing my condolences. But
So
there's
why
no
do you have an
reason
attitude towards me?
because you started yelling,
No.
and you started yelling over me. You didn't want to roll down your window
I
and
shouldn't
obey
have
a
to-
lawful order.
That's not
So
a
there's-
lawful order. That's not lawful.
Okay.
I know my
I'm not
role.
I'm not going to sit here and argue with you.
Just because you
because
have
there's
just
no
because you have a
reason-
badge does not mean it's a lawful order. That has nothing to do with
Yes,
it.
it does.
No.
Because
No,
you
no.
are a suspect in a crime.
You did not say that you
You're
were
a suspect
an officer.
in a crime.
You did not say your badge number, Michelle or Michelle. You did not say that.
I don't need to.
You said
I don't need
yes,
to.
you do. In order, yes,
Nope.
I know the laws. You have to. Yes, you just because you have a badge and it says Napoleon. Yes,
Nope.
you do. Because listen, it's 2025 and we listen. On my side,
Sure.
I'm gonna sit there and say that. Yes.
Okay.
So we have that right.
Wonderful.
But you didn't sit there and say that you were
I
officer
don't have
of law.
to.
Yes, you
A person
do.
with common sense
Okay,
would know
and
that
I
I'm
can
a law
literally do
enforcement
this.
officer.
And I can literally do this.
All right.
You're gonna sit there and put me in jail if I do that, right?
I'm not trying to put you in jail. I'm
But
trying
yet
to
you're
figure
not
out
even
what
trying to
you-
work
Stop
with me.
yelling.
You're not trying to work with me. You're trying to.
If I was not trying to work with you, I would have already ripped you out of your car and put you in cuffs and take you for trespassing.
If I dare you, I dare you. Rip
I'm
me.
telling you,
dare
I would have
Rip
already
me.
done it if I wasn't
Because
trying
you're
to
not
work
stronger
for
than
you.
me. I promise you that.
I'm not trying to fight you, and there's
Rip
no
me.
reason. Have you been
Rip
drinking
me.
today?
Rip me.
Have you been smoking today?
Drinking? Yes. Yeah.
Drink. What have you been drinking?
9 o'clock in the morning, I drank vodka.
Okay.
9 o'clock in the morning.
Why?
What time is it? Why? I just lost my sister.
Okay. That's what.
She argued the window order wasn't lawful. Under Terry versus Ohio, Officers may issue compliance orders during any active investigative stop. The subject does not need to agree. Refusal can support an obstruction charge on its own. She cited the First Amendment. Freedom of speech. The First Amendment protects expression. It does not override a Terry stop. The Fifth Amendment, the right to remain silent, was the only right with actual protective value in this situation. She never invoked it.
I'm asking, why?
I just lost my sister.
Okay, if that's why you were drinking, then that's a valid reason. I understand you're stressful, but there's no reason you should be driving while you're under the influence.
I'm not under the influence no more. I'm literally having this conversation with you because you're literally provoking the hell out of me. And your body camera will sit there and say that. Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask her why I'm behaving the way I'm behaving. She won't lie to you. Or was she?
She just admitted to me that she was drinking this morning, so...
This morning, so you're gonna arrest me?
Nora, Adam.
I'm going to check your eyes to make sure that you're okay to drive with your kid in the car.
I'm perfectly fine.
Charles, Sam.
You want my...
Five.
Hey, you're not welcome on that property anymore.
That's okay. That's okay with
If
me.
you show up here again, you can be arrested for trespassing.
That's okay with me. That's okay with me. I'm trying to grieve my sister. I'm literally trying to grieve the
out already.
Yes.
the of my sister. And I had the cops called on me because I'm trying to grieve my family. My dad is right there, sir. My dad is right there. And I you might smell alcohol. Can I put my daughter with my dad, please? Please.
Yes.
Where are you, Dad?
Samuel!
Is your other kid with your dad?
Yes.
And your parent? Okay.
If I go to jail tonight or whatever, I just want my kids to be with...
I'm telling you, Katrina, we're not here because we want you to go to jail. We're here because we got called.
I understand I can't be here no more, but
Okay.
I was just trying to be with my family, and I got pushed because they don't like me because of past experience between me and the owner. I will literally give my kids to my dad right now. I was just here to be with my mom and my dad. That's all it was. And I'm sorry for being belligerent with you. I don't know how to grieve. This is my only sister. And I'm sorry. I am sorry for being or belligerent towards you. I don't know how to grieve. Come here.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Sir, I'm sorry. Ma'am, I'm sorry. If I go to jail, I go to jail.
Why don't we just, let's get the kiddo to your dad really quick, okay? So,
I would do a sobriety test. I would do whatever.
Okay.
I will get under arrest. It doesn't matter.
I'm just going to need you to step out of the car for me, okay? And we're going to do some field sobriety tests. Right here. This is probably the flattest spot we're going to get, okay?
I'm not a doctor, but like, if I were to take them off, my doctor would say put them on. If that makes sense.
Okay. Do you have any other issues with your eyes?
No.
Okay.
Mhm.
What's wrong with your eyes? Otherwise?
I have a lazy eye. Yes.
Okay. I'm down by your side, hon. Okay. See this okay?
Mhm.
Are you looking at my finger over here?
Mhm.
Okay.
I have a lazy eye. I'm sorry.
Okay. I'm just making sure that you can see it.
Mhm.
Go ahead and relax. I'm going to ask you a question, okay? I want you to be completely honest with me. How much have you actually had to drink today?
I had 3 shots
Of?
tequila.
Okay. How big are those shots, would you say?
I guzzles, not little sips. Guzzles.
Guzzles. Okay. Do you have your PBT with you? We're going to have you take a PBT, kind of see where you're at right now, okay? If you're above, we're going to take you back to station. We're going to get you
I'm gonna be above.
breathalyzers.
I'm gonna be above.
Okay, what makes you say that?
Because I just had a shot before I left where I am at right now. I'm
Which
not
was
trying.
where? Would you rather just go back to station and provide a breath sample there? Because we can do that. Just one and done. You're
And
not
I will
going to go to
leave?
jail as long as you're not going to be disorderly or anything like that.
Can my dad drive my car, or can my car
Absolutely.
stay here? Or?
Sure. Yep.
Yes.
I'm just going to have you turn around. Okay. Arms behind your back. All right.
You're not gonna take my kids from me.
I'm not going to take your kids. Just turn around. Your kids will stay with your parents.
Wait. If I
Fine.
agree to this,
There is no agreeing, okay? I've seen clues that display that you're under the influence. You already told me that you were, okay? So we're going to go back. We're going to go do a test at the office, and then we're going to call your parents. We'll figure it out, get you a ride back home.
what does that mean? Like, am I gonna go to jail?
You're not going to jail. Come on.
Wait, I'm not gonna be belligerent, sir. Why?
You're not going to delay things like this.
No, it's not that. But I was asking a question. Why are you trying to be mean to me?
We're going to do this, we're going to do this.
No, she was giving me. She was literally giving me advice.
Oh my gosh. Your wrists are so tiny.
Yeah, small. I'm a small person. Bro, can you get off me? I'm really mad.
I have to, hon.
Can you act like you're I understand. You're doing.
Okay,
You're
I'll
doing
hold you
your-
like this. Is this better?
Because I did nothing wrong in order for you to be handcuffed right now. You know that.
Okay, well.
But you're doing your job, and I applaud you.
The only reason why you're in handcuffs is because of the alcohol part right now, okay? You're not getting arrested or trespassed, or arrested for trespass.
I just lost my fucking sister.
I know, hon.
You lose a sister, they lose a sister. I want anybody to lose their son, their brother or sister, and be okay with it.
All right, I'm gonna have you stand right here for me. Okay.
Go ahead.
Do you have
pat me down. No, pat me down if you want me. I have glasses on top of my head. I don't have nothing. I'm drunk.
Okay. All right. I'm just gonna pat you down. Make sure nothing that's gonna poke me, stab me, or
No,
anything like
nothing.
that.
Nothing. I am on probation, and Brian, invincible. I don't know if I have to call you or call her with you, but
with who, hon?
Kelly.
What you on probation for?
I punched my baby daddy because he was putting me in a corner, and I felt like. Ma'am, I'm trying. I'm sorry.
Okay. Let me get those glasses off of your head really quick for you, and I'll get them back to you at station, okay?
Because I already know how some of you police officers grieve, and y'all grieve how you grieve, but like,
well, I've expressed my condolences to you, and I'm really sorry, but like you told me earlier, you had stated that you're going through a hard time and you're stressed out, okay?
Yeah, because nobody can listen, and no one wants to listen to me. You see my dad, and you see me, brother, see me in handcuffs.
I ain't gonna put you in a holding cell, okay?
To talk to me, and okay, you already listened. You heard that I'm going through hard times.
Yes.
But you see my dad.
I'm gonna have you step forward so I don't shut the door on you.
You rather see me, or not you rather, but my dad rather see me in a pair of handcuffs and talk to me about anything, and I just lost my sister. I get that's my dad
straight through.
I get that's my dad's baby girl, but I helped raise her, and I want to be there for him.
I'm gonna walk you to where we're gonna go, okay? So you're willing to provide a breath sample then?
Yep, okay. I'm gonna fail, but this is my first time, so it doesn't matter. I'm sorry you're having a bad day. I'm sorry if I pissed you off. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You want me to speak to you, so I am.
But not condescendingly. You're condescending. Very condescending. Very condescending. But you're talking to me like I'm a crackhead homeless person. Be a little compassionate, sir.
Miranda attaches at custodial interrogation, not at the moment of detention. Anything volunteered before that threshold is fully admissible. She disclosed the alcohol, the quantity, the timing, and her active probation, before any of it was directly asked. Every investigative step that followed was built on a foundation she constructed herself.
0.185. Legal limit is 0.08.
I don't know the ratio to that.
Essentially,
mine was 0.85. Well, 185.
0.185. Yep.
Can I see your pen?
What you need it for?
Just put a dot right there in front of the one.
Oh, there is one, but here, I'll emphasize it for you.
Can I stand up?
Yep. Go ahead and stand up. All right, we're gonna walk straight back here.
The woman was charged with DUI and issued a criminal trespass warning prohibiting her from returning to the restaurant.
0.185. 2.3 times the legal limit. Charge: DUI with minor in vehicle. Criminal trespass warning. Any return is a separate arrestable offense. The probation consequence, a new arrest alone, not a conviction, triggers a violation hearing in most jurisdictions. The burden at that hearing is preponderance of evidence, not reasonable doubt. The prior suspended sentence is back on the table. Officers get an A. Clean Terry stop. No coercion. Admissions gathered without pressure. Under Graham versus Connor, every decision here is objectively reasonable. Katrina gets a D. 2.3 times the limit with a toddler in the car. Aggravated DUI statutes require no proof of intent. The child's presence is sufficient. She confused the First Amendment for the Fifth. That single error dismantled every legal argument she attempted. She cooperated at the end. Relevant to sentencing. Irrelevant to the charge. 3 takeaways. 1. Comply during a detention. Your disagreement belongs in court, not on the street. 2. Voluntary statements before arrest are admissible. Miranda does not protect you from yourself. 3. Active probation means a new arrest. Reopens the prior case at a lower standard of proof. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. What do you think the sentence should be? Drop it in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.